Everyone, Vintage Lord Canada. I'm going to do another pack opening of 95 Flair Marvel Annual. The last pack I opened on my last video was pretty good, so I got a little too tempted. So I'm going to open up this here, check the cards out, and go from there. This was the hit of that last pack. I think everyone could agree on that. One of the hits of the whole set, so that's actually pretty good. Nice chromium, real nice. And I got a Wolverine Healing Factor, real nice also. First meetup of Wolverine and Deadpool on the back. My friend Marvel Madness has a buyback of this, the Alpha I think it was, real nice. So congrats Josh. Okay, well, I'm going to open this now and go from there. So wish me luck. I didn't want to really open this because, you know, it's Spider-Man. But I think I'm going to get some more packs of these eventually. And possibly a full box, but who knows. So, yeah, going to do this. Yeah, there's an inner package and an outer package, so what great pack art though. The image of Spider-Man right here on the pack art, that's a big big hit in this set too, so that's one I'm chasing. But and these empty are really good to hold cards in. Scissors again. Okay. Yeah, these aren't bricking, so which is really good. Okay, the hit will be on the back side, so I'll do this a little different than I did last time because I didn't do it good enough, I don't think. Okay. Nice Iron Man. There's 10 cards in this pack, so. And I think the last one for sure is a hit, and then the second last one could be a hit. So we'll see what happens. Nice. Look at that surfer. I haven't seen this card before. Real nice. Excellent. Shatter Force. Okay. Yeah, the art in this set is really unique. Sphinx. Dr. Druid. There's a nice one. Spider-Woman. Real nice. Silver Sable. The Shrieking. That's a cool card. Okay, here we have a Duo Blast. This is a hit. War Machine. Nice. Real nice. Okay, then we have, I haven't heard of this guy before. Flair. Sorry if I'm, or Phalanx. Someone let me know how that's supposed to be said, but real nice card nonetheless. Power Blast. Okay, so this Iron Man, let's look at the back of this box here. So a dual blast. Are supposed to be 1 in every 6 packs. So this is definitely the hit. Real nice. Good character, Iron Man. Yeah, this set, real nice, like top-notch quality. So, okay, we've got the Iron Man. This guy here, which I can't say his name. Phalanx. Got him. Got the Silver Surfer base. Real nice. And what else was half decent? Spider-Woman. That was a nice one. And yeah, Iron Man base. So, guess it was an Iron Man pack, which nothing wrong with that. So, quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and when I pick up some more packs of these, I'll open them up. So, everyone take care. Have a good night, and talk to you soon.